Gusto mo ba ng payday budol? Oops, teka, alam ko may sahod ka na.
Sige, gusto mo ng chicken ngayon? Ay, tamang-tama. Payday ngayon. Ano? Tara na.
Welcome to Bazooka Fried Chicken! Dahil ang Bazooka ay King of Happiness, extended ang promotion nila until May 8. Yung 8 pieces of fried chicken, buns, coleslaw, 1 family price, at drinks for only 48 reals lang.
Alam niyo ba na for only 51 reals, meron ka ng 6 pieces of chicken, 6 pieces of tenders, and fries, drinks, and also coleslaw. And we also have 6 buns.
Diba? Sobrang sulit na nito sa buong barkada, lalo na't payday ngayon. And what I love about their chicken, fresh delivered daily. Walang wings, puro laman. At kita nyo naman super crispy outside at juicy inside. Promo is valid for dine-in or takeaways only. Available din siya sa lahat ng branches ng Bazooka.
They have different kind of sauce for only 2 real each. Musahab, 7 pieces for only 14 reals for add-ons.
So, if you're feeling those cravings plus may sweldo na, this is your sign na magbasuka na. Treat yourself, you deserve it.